Hello friends, I am using Cosmic OS 8.1 Oreo ROM on my Redmi Note 3. As you can see, so many applications are open and working very smoothly, but you can see very less RAM is free, that is 852 MB only. So RAM management of this ROM may not be very good, but all the applications are working very smoothly in this ROM. If we see the battery backup of this, it is giving the best one battery backup. As in all the other ROMs, the battery backup is not good for Redmi Note 3 in Oreo ROMs. In Nitrogen OS, that is somewhat very good, but in this particular ROM, the battery backup is very nice. I am just going to upgrade this ROM. So how to check an version of this ROM? There is a particular application for this that is named Cosmic OS, in which all type of features what are present in this particular ROM are shown. So you can check all the features from this app, which is installed by default with this operating system, and all type of applications you can see here are given in this section. Also, the change log is given in this app, that what are changing date by date, and you can clearly check. This is the developers and this is the page for donation to the developers. So this is the just an application which is installed by default in this ROM. Now let us check some other things that you can see about Redmi Note 3. As you open this, you can check here. Also it is giving the OTA update to the phone, so you can just download the updates using your phone. So just click on the system updates, it will check for the updates, and you can see here download completed. In my previous video you can check from this particular section I have downloaded this ROM and I am just going to install now. So just click on OK button and the system will start rebooting after clicking this. So restarting to recovery, you have to wait for a minute. After that it will start rebooting and reboot through the MI logo to the TWR recovery. Be sure that you are with latest recovery. Since I am just upgrading the ROM, so I have to wipe Dalvik cache and cache. But if you are going to flash the recovery this ROM through the recovery as a fresh ROM, so you have to select both data and system. Since I am just upgrading this, so these two are sufficient, and just slide this. It will wipe data. Now back to the main menu and click on install. On clicking the install button, you go to the internal storage and check the OTA update folder where the new ROM is present. So select this. This is the 24th of February 2018 build, which is the latest one, is in OTA update folder. Just select it and swipe this. It will start flashing the ROM. After 2 to 5 minutes it will get updated. Here you need not to install any Google apps if you are just upgrading your previous version, and if you are flashing the new ROM, you have to install all Google apps. After flashing this, it will start rebooting. It reboots through the Cosmic OS logo. You can see here, since I am logged into my phone after rebooting, so I have to enter the password, and this is the new password which I entered this. You can see here through the settings. In settings you can check some settings are changed, and here is the new thing, that is root management. That root management is working through you can see here the new things which are present in this ROM. As you can see here, no OTA update option is now present in this case. So OTA update feature is sent to the app which is installed default. All the other things are very similar to previous build. This is the Magisk which is installed with this ROM, as I installed it in previous version, that is present here also. You can check some other features. If we go through the battery, you can see here nothing new, everything is as per previous build. Since battery backup of this ROM is very good, so you can install this if you need a long time battery. You can see here the details of this Cosmic OS. This is with 5th of February security patch, which is latest one, and also you can see in the build number here it is giving 24th of February 2018. You can check this number here. So this is the latest one. The link for all these ROM and other apps are given into the descriptions, from where you can download this ROM, and every other feature is very similar to that. This is the Cosmic OS app. You can check here, it is showing that you are on latest build. So OTA updates now can be checked through this application. So here you can also see the RAM management is very good. It is showing very large amount of space is present here, that is 1322 MB of RAM is present, as in previous case it was 852 with the same applications. So RAM management of this new build is very good. Now let us check whether it is certified or not. In the Play Store, from the settings you can check here, that is device certification, it is certified. So this ROM is certified and you can use this ROM for all other banking apps. Now let us check what's new. Yes, these are the 5 new icons which are present in the quick settings and which are very useful nowadays in latest ROM. If you like this video, please click on like and subscribe the channel for latest update for your Redmi Note 3 and custom ROMs. You can see here the video or camera app is working very fine. You can see it's almost instantly working, so it's working very fine. You can see here there is no lag, it's working also very fine. You can see quick settings are also working very fine, and from the settings you can check there is nothing new present, everything is very similar. The battery backup you can check here, 12 hours of charging and 12 hours are remaining. So battery backup of this ROM is very good. I personally like this. This is very similar to the Nitrogen OS, but somewhat greater than that. Also you can check the fingerprint sensor, it is working very instantly and working very fine on Redmi Note 3. Now you can check here, just click on it and opened. So this is working very fine. So fingerprint is also working, camera working, VoLTE working, everything is working on this ROM. Also battery backup of this ROM is very good. Also some other features are present in this ROM. So this ROM is worth to install to your Redmi Note 3, and you can see here night mode is also working on this. So this is the feature which is not working in almost other ROMs, in most of the ROMs, but it is working very fine in this ROM. So you can install this from the links given into the descriptions below. You can download it and install it as a fresh or upgrade it. Thank you very much.